With the patient circuit assembled and the appropriate interface on the patient, select the automatic mode. To continue with the last used therapy, simply press Start. If required, press the flow control to toggle between different intensities of air movement. To select another preset, swipe the Options tab left, then press Care Plan. Select a preset therapy plan, then review to make sure it matches the prescription. To adjust the settings for patient synchrony and end with sigh, press Options, then slide On. Make desired adjustments using the plus or minus controls or the keypad. Press Save to save any changes. To begin therapy, press Start.